Hi, I'm Dr. Robyn Walser, and I'm very excited to be doing the ACT for Trauma training coming up in April. All are welcome in mental health, so whether you're a beginner or advanced, a social worker or psychologist, a psychiatrist or nurse practitioner, please feel free to join us. We'll be covering a variety of topics, but tuning into how to use the 6 core processes when you're working with a client who's suffering from trauma, all the different types of fallout that might be happening in that space. So for instance, PTSD to depression and anxiety. We're also going to be taking a look at cases. And so if you would like to bring to the workshop a case to get consultation on and maybe role play, please do bring that case. We're also going to look at how to integrate ACT with other exposure-based therapies. So you can think about how to insert those therapies into ACT or how to wrap ACT around those different therapies. We're going to spend a little bit of time discussing racial trauma, and we're also going to talk about moral injury. And so I'm really super excited about the course. We get great feedback on it. Folks are both moved and have fun, and my wish is that that's what will happen in April as well. So really looking forward to doing it. Please sign up, and we'll see you there.